All right, this I just want to give you a rough unboxing. I'm not going to make it sophisticated of unboxing of a keyboard. Now, I'm a Mac user, and this was the keyboard that I used. These are second-hand keyboards. They serve the purpose, but the problem is certain keys get stuck. So I've always had a problem with these keys. So the Z key was stuck. Now the other keyboards that I have is this one has come with the 24-inch iMac, and then these are the normal ones. These are all. This one is second hand. This one is second hand. Then I purchased this also second hand. So these are pretty good, huh? By the way, brand new ones like this one is without a doubt the best. This is the Logitech. I think it's the G913. This is great for gaming. I love this one. This is without a doubt metal finish, expensive, but I've used it with no problems at all. And it has RGB, which I don't care. So, and one of the expensive ones that I purchased was the Keychron. This one is wired one. That was a mistake that I made. Very heavy. This is one of the heaviest. So I thought, okay, since Keychron it's like a metal build. So I thought since I'm using Keychron is the most durable, let me get a durable keyboard. So I purchased these two secondhand. This is for my iMac. This is dedicated for the 24-inch. So I wanted iMac. Now I'll show you which one I purchased. So I'll take all this out, and here is the box. Now I purchased two keyboards. Both of them are from Keychron. So let us see what this one is. So I managed to get a special offer around, I think, 20% off. So I decided to purchase one which is clicky. The blue click is always, it gives you a very clicky feeling. So this is from Keychron. Since I had a promotion, I decided to buy two. I'll show you which are the two that I purchased. Okay, nice, good packaging. Okay, and now this one I'll have to take out my trusty scissor. Okay. By the way, Keychron, whenever you order from them, they'll always send it via DHL. So these are both wireless, and these are my new keyboard. Looks nice. So one is the Keychron B1 Pro. Okay, this one is a very soft one, no clicky, nothing. But I thought this I can keep as emergency and carry it around. This one is the Keychron K3 Max. Okay, unlike the previous one, this one I do not know what is the model. This one is, you can hear the click. I've not used it for some time, so that is why there's a dust. But this one is with a cable. Okay, I like it very much. You can see the difference between and okay. So I'll show you the unboxing for this. Let me just open this. The Keychron B1 Pro. Okay. Let's quickly get on with the unboxing. The plastic, and it's always packaged professionally. Okay, so it's brand new Keychron B1 Pro. Okay, the packaging always comes standard. It's pretty good. Keychron's products are good. Okay, so you have a cable management for wireless, the same in here. Okay, and here's the keyboard, and A nice plastic film is there. So here you can see it's not clicky. Okay, so this one is not clicky, and I will take out this one and show you the difference. Okay, so this one will be a little bit more sophisticated. This one you will be able to hear the sound. It's a low profile keyboard, low profile compact design, and it's good with the Mac. I checked with them, and it also has RGB, which I'm not a very big fan of. Open this boxes. Their boxes are always very durable. Okay, so it comes with this black, and this is the, make sure the switch pins. Okay, I don't like to do all this stuff. Okay, this is a quick start guide, and this is the keyboard. This, I have a feeling I'm going to use this one. Let me just show you. Now, see how it is. You can see the difference. This is the Keychron K3 Max. Okay, see the difference. So this one is, and see this one. So this is more clicky. And if I compare it to the iMac, and the most clicky among all of them is this one. Now see the difference. And see this. See this. And see this. So one last time. So as of now, I think I'll be going with this will be my normal daily driver. It's a small size and not bad. And yes, I can use these big ones only when I need them. I'll keep them as backup. So, okay, I hope you enjoyed the Keychron K3 Max unboxing. There's a whole lot of cables in this. And yes, this will be my secondary. I don't know which one will I use as secondary. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of these two keyboards. Let me know your thoughts. If you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you guys. Yes, take care, and let me put this back in. I'll sort this out later. So wait 1 minute. Let me put this back, and let's get this close. So these are the two keyboards. Hope you enjoyed it. It's me saying goodbye. Take care. Okay, finish.